old Polecat Mahoney, and I am delighted to take you into the famous Calico Mine, the richest gold strike this side of the Mississippi.
Dark tunnel. I see Kaden.
Glad to have you in the mine today. Keep a lookout for low-hanging animatronics.
Well, look at this, folks. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look pretty, but many a poor miner's gone and tucked his pick right down in the whole Mother Earth, only to have a blast of steaming hot mud erupt in his face. It ain't exactly the kind of warm welcome you want.
Have you guys been to Santa Cruz Boardwalk before? It's up north, but they had a big train kind of like this.
Take a look to the right up over here. Yes, sir. That's the world famous Calico Mine Glory. Inside of one of the blue stripes here in the water. We're fishing for those fish you see down there.
Y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark or get Knott.
3,000 and on square steps in the workshop. This type of modern technology makes all of this work mine impossible. Sure is dark up here. Say, driver, how about a little bit more light? Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of water and about 1,000,000 years to make all these stalagmites on the floor and stalactites on the ceiling.
Once again, folks, please remain seated.
We're approaching the upper levels of the glory hole. Here to get a view of all the different kinds of mining operations we have going on. It's a lot of back-breaking work digging up all that gold ore in the old dicks, shovels, and rock dams. Now that's what I call teamwork. They don't call a man's best friend for nothing, especially when there's gold at stake.
Once again, folks, I need everyone to please remain seated.
That's all thanks to ride fast up on this here triple bridge. Keep your hands and arms inside the cars now. Ain't jumping off this mountain till 8 years. Never mind that. Let's just hope you got one more train though.
Just a heads up, folks. This next one's gonna get pretty loud. You might want a couple areas.
Yeah, there is a new car behind it. Progress being last. Look out, folks. See what happens behind. This shaft just came in. They're rip, boys. They're ready.
Slow that train down.
That was close. Looks like we all made it out just in time. Thanks to this here engineer's dynamite driving. Y'all get along now. I got work to do. And if you got any claims to take down there at the assayer's office,
Thank you all for watching! If you like this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.